This how to 1 minute will show you how to assign a template to a page in Shopify. So first of all, we will create a template. So click on online store and click on customize. And now click on this homepage drop down and select create template. Once you created your template, make sure to click on save. Now go to your Shopify admin dashboard and here click on pages and click on add page. And here you will get your template, theme template option. So all you have to need, just click on this drop down and select the template. Assign a template from your current theme to define how the page is displayed. So that's how we can assign a template to a page on Shopify. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.